In this video I'm showing you how I turned an old motor glider into a brand new flying wing RC airplane. Let's get started. I cut the tail off and drilled holes into the rear of the fuselage to mount the vertical stabilizer, which I cut out of a piece of cardboard. In the next step I will glue the stabilizer into the fuselage and start working on the wing mount. The wings and fuselage are from two completely different airplanes and need to be adjusted first. I drilled a hole through the fuselage and stabilizer and glued bamboo chopsticks in to make sure the stabilizer stays upright. Time to close the back of the fuselage. Now we can start working on the wing mount. The wings are leftovers from a previous project, and I already added wood strips to the edge of the wings and lifted them to achieve the typical delta wing profile. I drilled holes into the wood that I glued into the fuselage. I added a metal plate for attaching the wings to the fuselage and drilled holes and cut screw threads into it. To strengthen the fuselage at the place of the wing mount, I added some ice cream sticks and glued them in. The wings fit perfectly and I can finally attach them to the fuselage. The wing mount and the airplane even survived the first crash. Time to paint the airplane. After adding several layers of color, I added some color finish. For the motor, I was taking a Speed 500 with a gearbox. As we're progressing, it's time to beautify the airplane. For the center of gravity, I follow my rule of thumb of 1/6 of the total wing root depth. With this rule of thumb, I made pretty good experiences. For the cockpit, I'm using an old plastic bottle and cutting it into halves. There's our final flying wing RC airplane made from an old motor glider fuselage and 2 wings from a completely different airplane. I like the result a lot and I'm really looking forward to the maiden flight. Please subscribe to my channel to not miss the maiden flight and to watch many more cool videos like this build video. Thanks a lot.